when you do this dimension cache, the vector is no longer the one dimensional. It has been converted in place to a matrix. Now we'll use a matrix function to make a 5 by 5 matrix with its field initialized to any values you would like to. So let me just write a comment over here. 5 by 5 matrix. So let's just create a matrix. So we'll create a matrix using the function matrix. Okay. So 1 comma 5 comma 5. Control enter. So you can see a matrix of 5 by 5 is created. Let's try to create another matrix and let's store it in a particular variable. Let's create V matrix. Let's add a character, comma 5 comma 5. Let's create V. Okay, so V is created. Let's just print V. Now here you can see this is a character matrix because we have added a character over here. Let's check the class of V. You can see it's a matrix.